What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we got to go over Dogecoin today. So looking at the Dogecoin chart today, we can see that we are on a very big uptrend here with Dogecoin. We are actually set to continue to rise here and continue to break these levels. But right now, what we need to look at is the current movement of the chart. So right now, Dogecoin can just completely take and blast off right here, because as we can see, the lows are becoming lower, the highs are becoming higher, as you can see over here. And this high here, and as you can see, it also went down a little bit here. So what we're kind of seeing is Dogecoin is kind of meeting itself in the middle to where then it will take off. So something like this we can probably see happening, and then it end up landing around here and then just end up taking off out of that trend line. So this is what we can see, or we could end up going back down a little bit to the trend line. Remember, crypto is very unpredictable. Whatever happens is what happens. If there's a lot of buying, then we go up, a lot of selling, we go down. Simple as that. But with Dogecoin right now, we have so much hype for it, especially because of Coinbase. A lot of big things are going on with Coinbase right now because Coinbase just listed. A lot of people are still buying into Dogecoin. A lot of people don't even know about it, but they just heard about Coinbase listing it and now they want to know about it. There's a lot of different things that are actually going on with Dogecoin. So a lot of things that we have to pay attention to with Dogecoin. So we have some news with Dogecoin as well, and some funny stuff to look at with Dogecoin. One of the funny things here is this little Dogecoin meme here. Not even a meme, but article. Let's read it. A running list of companies whose market caps is topped by Dogecoin. So that is pretty funny that there's a lot of actual companies that are topped by Dogecoin. So Keurig Dr. Pepper is $52.24 billion. $52.24 billion market cap, but Dogecoin is $54 billion market cap. So that's something pretty funny with Dogecoin. And Philips, their market cap is $50.74 billion. Dogecoin's $54 billion. So DoorDash, $48.53 billion. Dogecoin, $54 billion. And Dollar General, $47.56 billion. We have Marriott, $46.96 billion. These are companies that have been around for decades, and some of these companies for a whole century. I mean, Dr. Pepper is a really old company. Like, a lot of these companies have been around for a very long time, and Dogecoin is worth way more than it. So look at this. American International Group, $45.82. Walgreens, Twitter, Kimberly-Clark, T. Rowe Price, eBay. I mean, everybody uses eBay. Dogecoin is worth more than Ferrari. Everybody also needs insurance. We're worth more than Allstate, General Mills, Aflac. Like, so many different companies here. Southwest Airlines. Dogecoin is worth more than all these. Delta Airlines. Everything over here. Caesars Entertainment, Kellogg. I mean, all these different companies. United Airlines at $19.47 billion. It's worth more than AMC as well at $19.45 billion. So many different stocks here. GameStop. So yeah, we're worth more than all these different stocks in market cap with Dogecoin. That says a lot about Dogecoin. So we have some more stuff to talk about here with Dogecoin today. So this is the next thing. A Tesla competitor becomes the first to mine Dogecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum with parked electric cars. This just sounds crazy right here. Let's just see what they're talking about. A Canadian electric car can now double as a cryptocurrency mining device for Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So what happened, they say Denmark Incorporated, a Canadian electric vehicle manufacturer, has announced that its upcoming Spiritus electric car would be capable of mining cryptocurrencies while parked. The Denmark Spiritus will utilize the company's patented Denmark Nebula. I keep calling it Denmark Nebula cryptocurrency infrastructure to mine cryptocurrencies, making it the first car in history with mining hardware and cryptocurrency technology programmed into the interface. It's pretty weird that they're making a car that can mine crypto, but I guess, I mean, why not? That's a pretty weird thing to do, but yeah, why not? Your car can mine crypto. So another Dogecoin catalyst that we know is coming up is SpaceX launching the satellite Doge 1 to the moon next year. This is about to be really big when it finally comes out, when they finally launch this Doge 1 to the moon. So yeah, this satellite is going to go to the moon and it's going to smash the hole next year. I don't know when next year he's going to do it, but he's going to do it next year. So we know this is a major catalyst. We just don't know when it's going to happen. So that is good. Remember, they do always say buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news. It's kind of a rumor right now that Robinhood is supposed to have these wallets, right? It was kind of, a rumor with the Coinbase, because we didn't have an exact date with Coinbase, but we knew Coinbase was coming out. We just didn't have a date. So you got to think about it. People didn't have the opportunity to wait until the listing of Coinbase for Dogecoin and then sell right on the day. Because if they would have did that, it would have shot the price down. Just like with Saturday Night Live, just like with Doge Day 420, because they knew exactly what was coming. So if they don't know it's coming, they can't sell prior. They can't, set up, Dogecoin to fail. So that's why it's so good for these catalysts to kind of drop without any, kind of update. When Coinbase did it, they just kind of did it. They didn't tell anybody, they just did it, which made Dogecoin go up. The same thing right here with Robinhood. So right now with Robinhood, they're supposed to have these wallets, but they're not telling people when they're making the wallets. But the second they make the wallet, this will help Dogecoin out a lot. So this is something to think about. Buy the rumor, sell the news. So it says coin withdrawals. At this time, we don't have the functionality to allow customers to transfer their cryptocurrency assets into or out their Robinhood crypto account, but we're currently working on providing those abilities for supported cryptocurrencies. So they are doing it right now. So they're actually updating Robinhood. They're not fixing it, they're making wallets able to, transfer in and out. So this is something big that's going on with Robinhood right now. So they say at this time, we don't have the functionality, but they are doing it. They are working on it. So it is a working progress there. We have a lot of stuff going on here with Dogecoin though. 8 billion in the last 24 hours just in trading volume, 54 billion inside market cap right now. Dogecoin is just doing with what every single coin which is do. Like, look at this. You can see this right here. We are definitely set to, have a huge raise in price here. Now, remember, this is crypto and things are really volatile. Just like how we jumped and raised back here and then dropped, we could jump right here and then drop just a little bit, but then jump again like in an actual week or maybe two. So anything can happen at this point, but we know whatever happens is big. So we just hope that we continue to have people with diamond hands continuing to buy in. But even whenever you go over to Twitter, you see that people are really heavy with Dogecoin. Like, Dogecoin is always trending somewhere. Like Dogecoin to $1, 690 tweets in the last hour. This will never stop. Dogecoin will always have all these memes. We have the Dogecoin millionaire here, pro the Dogecoin millionaire, back at $1.5 million. So a lot of people making a lot of money here on Dogecoin. So there's no loss in that. So now another thing with Dogecoin, people say that Dogecoin has infinite supply, so it's garbage. This is not true. Doge has a fixed yearly coin issuance, which is 5 billion Doge per year. So which increases the supply gradually. This will increase the supply gradually with Dogecoin. 5 billion Doge per year, nothing less, nothing more. So just 5 billion a year. So encouraging adoption and securing the network. That's what they're saying. Over time, the rate of inflation decreases. As you can see, 2021, 130 billion Doge, 3.85% inflation rate. And then it just goes down and down and down until 2100, when there will be 525 billion Doge at 0.95%. So yeah, in theory, this will just help Doge raise in price, steadily raise in price and never go down. It's just gonna raise and raise. Doge will not go below a certain point. So that's something good to think about with Dogecoin. So yeah, we have a lot of different stuff going on here with Dogecoin. In our Dogecoin Whales over here, as we can see, the same whale right here still isn't sold. We believe this one to be Elon Musk. It most likely is Elon Musk. So that is something to think about. And there's a lot of other whales that are just not selling, just holding the line with diamond hands, all these whales. But yeah, so much is going on here with Dogecoin. I follow the whales. If the whales are they're holding billions of dollars and they're not selling, then I'm holding my money and not selling. Because if they're holding billions, they must believe that they're going to make billions out of it. So let's go over here and see what we have for Dogecoin, see what kind of questions people are asking, to see what kind of questions we can answer. So how do you mine Dogecoin? Well, you can do it with that car that we just now seen, the Canadian car, or you can mine it on, I would say there's a lot of different options. I would not recommend you to do like the unmineable.com. I tried it, not recommended. You will hardly make anything. Best way to mine Dogecoin is with an actual, Dogecoin mining machine, whatever you want to use. Just don't try to use a computer. You're probably not going to be successful with that. So just make sure whatever you use has the actual power, and whatever outlet you use actually has enough power to put towards the device. So that's what you need to know about mining Dogecoin. That's all I know. I don't know much about mining Dogecoin. So over here, when it says, when does Coinbase list Dogecoin? Coinbase already listed Dogecoin. It's only listed for Coinbase Pro, so you can only buy Dogecoin on Coinbase Pro, but you can view it on the regular Coinbase. Okay, how do you pronounce Dogecoin? Doge, like DOGE, Dogecoin, not Dodge, it's Doge. So yeah, Dogecoin. So yeah, let's see where we have other questions. So people are still asking, when will Dogecoin be on Coinbase? It's already on Coinbase. You can buy Dogecoin on Robinhood. I got that link in the description for Robinhood, and you will get 3 free stocks if you sign up. So just do that. And the same thing with Webull. You get free stocks when you sign up with Webull, and you can also get Dogecoin on Webull. Same thing with crypto.com. You'll get $25 if you sign up for there, and get Dogecoin on crypto.com. But you can't get Dogecoin on public. I don't know when they'll make that available, but if you do sign up with public, you still get a free stock, so that's still cool. So yeah, Dogecoin's already on Coinbase, just Coinbase Pro though. So Dogecoin, you will get it on Robinhood. What is Dogecoin worth? Well, Dogecoin in the future will be worth $1, but right now we are only at 41 cents. But we will be at $1 in the future. So where can you buy Dogecoin? I already answered that, and it looks like I answered everyone's question on here. All right, so yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for free stock with Robinhood and Webull. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.